Pick up is one of the most common phrasal verbs in English with multiple everyday meanings. It can mean to lift something physically, to collect a person from a location, to learn a skill naturally, or to detect signals and subtle cues. Context always determines which meaning applies in conversation. The first meaning of pick up is lift, which means to physically raise something from a surface. The second meaning is collect, which refers to giving someone a ride or transportation from one place to another. These are the two most literal physical meanings of the phrasal verb. The third meaning is learn, which means to acquire knowledge or a skill naturally without formal study or classes. The fourth meaning is detect, which refers to noticing signals, sounds, or subtle emotional cues in your environment. These meanings shift from physical to mental actions. When pick up means lift, you use it for physical actions like she picked up the book from the table, meaning she lifted it with her hands. Or can you pick up the phone, please, which means to grab and lift the telephone receiver. This is the most literal meaning closest to the individual words pick and up. When pick up means collect, it refers to transportation like I'll pick you up at 7 p.m., meaning I'll drive to get you and give you a ride. Or can you pick up the kids from school, meaning go get the children by car after their school day ends. This meaning always involves going to a location. When pick up means learn, it describes natural skill acquisition like she picked up Spanish living in Madrid, meaning she learned the language through daily immersion without classes. Or kids pick up technology quickly, meaning children naturally learn tech skills through exposure and practice. When pick up means detect, it refers to receiving signals like the radio picked up a strange signal, meaning it received and broadcast the transmission. Or I picked up on her nervousness, meaning I noticed her anxious emotional state through subtle behavioral cues. Context determines the meaning of pick up, whether it's lift, collect, learn, or detect. Always listen to surrounding words to understand which definition applies. Regular conversational practice with all four meanings builds natural English fluency with this essential phrasal verb.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.